we could decouple politics from the market. Your Excellency,
Kenya is now 7.9.
It closed at 9.8. 9.18.
The election, it's a promise kept.
Yes. Is in excess of 3.56 trillion. So it is actually triple. We are for both Uganda and Rwanda.
His Excellency the President. You are welcome to give a warm clap to welcome him. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Rais.
I remember when I came here, I said, there is great value and there is a lot of resources that we can mobilize from the Securities Exchange so that we begin the journey to wean ourselves out of heavy taxation and heavy borrowing. And I requested at that point that the stock exchange should consider mechanisms that would help bring ordinary Kenyans into the stock exchange. Today is a fulfillment of all the three. Number one, my commitment that I would bring government assets to democratize ownership of government assets to be owned by more Kenyans. And I did make a specific commitment that one of the companies that we are considering to bring to the Securities Exchange was Kenya Pipeline. Today, Kenya Pipeline is here. The commitment I also made that we are going to democratize that space. If you look at the number of ordinary Kenyans that are bought into the IPO, it speaks directly to the fact that more and more Kenyans are coming to the exchange.